Hi guys, I am Akshita. As a part of internship in Exposys Data Labs, they have given me a project on multi-page responsive website. I have chosen the theme as food ordering website, through which we can order the food. It is same like Swiggy and Zomato. It is one of the wonderful website through which we can order the food. The main purpose of doing this project is to make the page responsive. In today's internet scenario, the responsive websites are the most popular way of putting a website in a World Wide Web, as this is a form in which the website can be seen in multiple devices without any problem. First of all, let us see what is a responsive web design. Responsive web design is nothing but using the HTML and CSS tags to automatically resize a website. And by using web design, now we can make the website look good on all the devices like desktops, tablets, phones, etc. Let us see. The same content can be viewed in different devices like this in tab, laptop, and phones. They only automatically resize the content. By using CSS queries, we can do this. And now let us see the advantages of responsive websites. And smooth navigation means we can navigate smoothly and easy reading. We can read easily and it will reduce the scrolling and zooming. And user will get the excellent experience with this responsive websites. The concepts which I have used to design this website are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Let us see what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the standard markup language for creating the web pages. And it also describes the structure of a web page. It consists of different elements like HTML tag, break tag, body tag, etc. We have many elements. It will tell the browser to how to display the content. It is the HTML file logo. Now let us see CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It will add the style to HTML document. To add any style, we will use CSS. And in CSS, we have media queries which will make the web page responsive. It will describe how elements are to be displayed on the screen attractively. This is the CSS3 logo. Now we are using CSS3. JS is nothing but JavaScript. JavaScript is used for making web pages more interactive. Interactive means dynamic web pages. Nowadays we are using JavaScript on both the client side as well as server side. And generally we will use JavaScript for making the games and animations, etc. This is JS logo. Let us see what is jQuery. jQuery is nothing but it's a JavaScript library. By using jQuery, we can write less and we can do more. The main purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on the website. Instead of writing 100 lines of code in the JavaScript, we can write the same content of code in 10 lines in the jQuery. Okay guys, I think you are eagerly waiting to see the website. Okay, now let us see the website. After seeing the website, I'll show you the code. Okay, this is my logo. I have created a logo, food delivery logo. Here I have created a navbar for home page, about us page, menu page, popular page, gallery and order. All 6 pages have created inside a navbar. And this is my title, welcome to online food meal. Here I have gave some information. Whatever information you want to give, you can give here. And I have created a get started button. When I refresh this page, I'll get like this. I have created this using CSS and HTML. I kept an image. You can keep any pictures, whatever you want. Now let us see the home about us page. In about us page, I have given the image, some images. Whatever images you want, you can give here. And a word about us, the content about your website. And learn more. When I click learn more button, I'll get more information about the website. This When we click this logo, it will be redirected to the home page. See, like this. Okay. Now about us completed, right? Now let us see the menu section. Okay. In menu, I have given the title as our delicious menu, and for menu, I have highlighted using some tags like span tag in HTML. I have done. Okay, I've created some buttons like breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. When I click on the breakfast, I'll get breakfast. Okay. When I click on the lunch button, I will get lunch. Okay. When I click on dinner, I'll get dinners. When I click on the dessert, I'll get all the desserts, whatever I have given. Here you can give whatever questions you want to give, you can give those questions and answers also. Here I have highlighted for 1, 2, 3, 4 using span tag. Now menu section completed. Okay, let us see popular section. When I click popular, I'll get all the most popular foods. Here also I've gave title as the most popular foods. I highlighted popular using span tag. See what are the popular foods we have. Veg Manchuria, and I have given rating as 4. So for rupees 150 it will get, and I have created button add to cart. This all the boxes I have created for all the popular food items. And similar to veg Manchuria, I have created a chicken biryani box, and rating is 5 star, rupees 250. Add to cart. When I add to cart, you can buy the product. Okay, now see Kaju Barfi. We have Kaju Barfi for rupees 1500 per kg. 4-star rating. Add to cart. Black Forest pastry. And egg biryani. Palak paneer. Aloo paratha. Wow, how nice they are. Egg noodles. Oh, kaddu ka kheer. Sweets also we have, right? 5-star rating, rupees 100. Aloo tikka for rupees 90. And mushroom pakoda for rupees 120. Motichur laddu. Wow. Mirchi bhaji. They're spicy, right? Tomato soups. We have all types of soups in our restaurant. And rupees 80 for this. Now let us go to gallery section. Similarly, I have given the heading for gallery also, our food gallery. I have highlighted the gallery, and I have kept all the images for the gallery, and here I have kept some animations for like this. I'll get, when I click on this, I'll get milkshakes. When I click on this pasta, I'll get. These animations are created by using JavaScript as well as CSS. Okay. When I click on this, I'll get all the milkshakes. When I click on this, I'll get all the pastas and chicken lollipops, noodles, ice creams, juices. Wow, how they are nice. Samosas, traditional foods, pav bhajis. Wow, paneer butter masala, French fries, kalakan. Still so many foods we have, right? Popcorn, chicken 65, spring rolls, soups, all different kinds of soups we will get. When we click on this, we will get different kinds of soups. Burgers, chicken kebab, wow, and lassis, chicken manchuria, veg fried rice. Okay. Okay, let us go to order section, which is last, but not least. Okay, let us go. Make an order. Okay. Here you can order. Have kept in background image as the cream page, and make an order is my heading. Order is highlighted with span tag. Here I kept an image. You can keep whatever images you want. By using forms in HTML, I have created this contact page. Let us see some example. Akshita I am giving here, and some example at gmail.com. Okay, now let us order. See, we cannot able to order because we did not fill this all the fields, right? If we fill all the fields only, then we can order. Otherwise, we cannot order the food. Okay, let us enter some any number. Okay, 9. Okay, I've entered this and some address we will give. Okay, let us give Warangal. Okay, order now. When you click order now, you will get your order was taken successfully. Thank you for ordering in onlinemails.com, and the emoji you will get. Okay, and still we are missing something here. Okay, see, when you scroll down the contact page, you'll get this contact info. Contact info means wherever the food is available, Warangal, Telangana, and the mail you can give, and you can give your contact numbers, information, branch locations, where your branches are there, India. When I click on these buttons, I'll get color. Means H over effect I have used here. India, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand. In these all my websites are there. Quick links. Home page means I'll get home. Okay. Uh, like this only. About us means you'll get about us page. Menu means you'll get redirected to menu page. Popular means you will get redirected to popular page. Gallery means you will be getting redirected to gallery page. Order means you will be getting redirected to order page. Okay. You can follow us on Instagram. When you click on the Instagram, it will redirect to the Instagram ID, whatever I have kept. And when I click on the Twitter, it will be redirected to the Twitter page. Same like Facebook, LinkedIn. And at the copyright designed by Akshita Pininti. All rights reserved. Okay, this is my website. But our website is responsive food ordering website. So let us see it in a responsive manner. Let us see. By using inspect button, you can see. Okay, let us see. Initially your website is like this, right? But even if you reset this, you will get like this. Here I'm automatically resizing. See, here it is automatically resizing because I have created I have wrote the code in CSS using media queries. See, see. The code is automatically resizing. Okay, see. I got hamburger button. When I click on hamburger, I'll get home page, about us. When I click on about us, you'll get about us page. When I click on menu, I'll get menu page. And when I click on popular, I'll get popular. Gallery means gallery food, gallery we will get it. And order means we'll get order. Okay. And these are the locations, branch locations, quick links, and followers on. Okay. See how beautiful it is. Even though it is it is in phone. See, here also we are getting welcome to online food mail. Get started. Yeah, wow. It is automatically resized. Gallery. This is about us page. Now let us see the menu. See, our delicious menu. When I click on breakfast, I'll get breakfast. When I click on lunch, I'll get lunch, dinner, and desserts. Okay. Now let us see the popular foods. Veg Manchuria, chicken biryani. These are all the things. Black forest pastry, biryani, palak paneer, aloo paratha, egg noodles, kaddu ka kheer, aloo tikka, mushroom pakoda, motichur laddu, mirchi bhaji, tomato soup. Okay. Now let us go into gallery. Okay. These are all are the images. This is the toggle button I have created using JavaScript. Our food gallery, milkshakes, pasta, chicken lollipops, noodles. This all ice creams, juices, samosa. Paneer butter masala and French fries, kalakand, popcorn, chicken 65, spring rolls, soups, burgers. Wow, this many foods we have now. It is responsive. Are you observing it is responsive? Yeah, it is responsive, right? Okay. You can enter your details and by clicking order now button you can order. Thank you for okay, your order was taken successfully. Thank you for ordering it onlinemills.com. Okay, completed. This is our food website. Okay guys, for this code I have used three files: main.html, styles.css and script.js. Firstly, we will see main.html. I used a doctype HTML because it is an HTML document and by default the language is English. UTF-8 will encode the characters. I used a viewport tag to set device width as well as zooming ratio. And my title is responsive food ordering website. I used the following links: AOS link for controlling the animations and Google font link to set fonts, font awesome link for getting the icons, and custom CSS link I have embedded in this main page. Now let us see the home section. This is the home section. In home section I have created a navbar for home page, about, menu, popular, gallery as well as order. This is my home page. Now let us see the home page. This is my home page. I have created a button as get started and this is my about section. I used data AOS to fade right. That means the animation will shift right. I have set animations using data AOS through AOS link and I have created a button learn more. This is my menu section. In menu section, I have created 4 buttons. As I said earlier, breakfast button, lunch button, dinner as well as dessert. And here I have asked some questions. You can ask any questions, whatever you want. If you want to highlight the text, you can use the span tag. Okay. Now let us see the popular food section. In popular food section, I have created some boxes using JavaScript and CSS. This is veg manchuria box. For this, I have given the 4-star rating using a fast star. To include this, I have used font awesome link as I shown earlier. Okay, this is the price. You can give price like this. And I have created a button add to cart. Similar to that, I have created all the boxes. Chicken biryani, kaju barfi, these all the things. Okay, now let us see the gallery section. Totally, it is a popular food section. Now let us see the gallery section. Okay, this is my gallery section. Here I have gave the title as our food gallery. I have highlighted the gallery using the span tag and I have kept some images like milkshakes, pasta. These all are the images you can insert through image tag. Now let us see the order section. In order section, I have created the contact page using form tag. Here I have used some fields. Input type equal to text for name, for and type is equal to email for email. Type equal to tel for mobile number. Have given the pattern. If suppose you did not enter the correct pattern, you cannot order the food. So you should enter the correct pattern. 10 numbers it should contain. And I've created submit button to order. The value is order now. And reset. If you want to clear, you can clear by using reset button. This is the footer section. In footer section, I have wrote a contact info, branch locations, quick links, follow us on. Here I wrote copyright designed by Akshita Penninti, all rights reserved, and have gave the links for jQuery as well as have linked the JS file link. To initialize the AOS, I have used this code. This is my main.html, and in styles I have given all the styles whatever required for this website. See, these are the styles. You can style using this. This is the code to style, and I used media queries to make the website responsive. This is the JavaScript code. By using this code, we can do animations and toggle back. This is the JavaScript code. Okay guys, thank you for bearing me, and hope all the best for you.